Fed up with never-ending loan installments and juggling multiple jobs to scrape together some extra cash? Stop. Life is too short to tirelessly spend your prime years working to pay off debts and manage bills. I mean, just look at Jordan Welch. At the age of 25, he has not only cleared a $30,000 debt, but also turned his financial life around, making millions, $6 million to be exact. The best part? You can follow in his footsteps, say goodbye to your debts, and make some serious cash. Want to know how? Well, for that, you'll have to watch the video till the end. Despite the wealth he enjoys today, Jordan's early years were far from easy. His father was often absent, leaving his mother to raise the family alone and struggle financially. Facing massive financial challenges, the situation reached a point where the bank put their home into foreclosure. But things didn't stop there. Jordan had to bid farewell to his mom and relocate to a city 3 hours away. However, this challenging time ignited a fire within Jordan that would soon engulf him. At that point, he knew he wanted to be independent and make money, a lot of it. So Jordan moved to a new city to live with his stepdad. But here's the cool part. His stepdad got him a laptop. And that's when Jordan was introduced to the fascinating world of YouTube. And guess what? He went full-on YouTube crazy, spending many hours a day binging on videos and dreaming big. Jordan's obsession with YouTubers reached a point where he idolized them and desired to be just like them. So he channeled this passion into making videos on YouTube. He and his friends teamed up and created content spanning basketball, comedy skits, skateboarding, basically anything they felt like making. Now, while YouTube is a great platform to showcase your talent and earn money through various monetization options with little initial investment, it has some downsides like income uncertainty, intense competition, and lots of time-consuming effort. Surprisingly for Jordan, this knack for video creation turned out to be the very skill that kickstarted his online income journey. After some years, Jordan moved back with his mother, but around this time all his friends were getting regular jobs. But Jordan had a different plan. He saw kids on YouTube playing video games and making money and wanted to be like them. Therefore, at 14, he started editing Call of Duty trick shot videos and making $100 a week. While this venture helped Jordan make his first money from YouTube, there was a tiny problem. Despite initially finding success in editing videos, the demanding hours made it feel like a regular job, and Jordan soon lost interest. However, he did not give up. He ventured into building businesses during high school, trying his hand at a clothing brand, reselling shoes, and even organizing a sneaker convention. These businesses offered great revenue potential and massive market demand, but at the same time, had downsides like intense competition, financial risks, and regulatory challenges. So despite the initial success of the convention, financial setbacks hit Jordan hard, leaving him with less than $200 even after significant effort. After this setback, Jordan attempted various side hustles but ended up with less money than friends with traditional jobs. Like any concerned mother, Jordan's mom was growing worried. She pressured him to get a job, and he reluctantly started working as a dishwasher and busboy. But this decision ended disastrously when he accidentally spilled a tray of wine glasses. The embarrassment led him to quit and vow never to work a traditional job again. With no money and no job, the decision to go to college seemed logical. However, given his previous record, he couldn't get scholarships, and his mom could not afford the fees. So, like many other students, he took out $25,000 in student loans. He started living in a dorm, surviving on a food stamps card and $200 a month. And it's no surprise that the first year of college was dark for him. Jordan felt like it was a collapse of all the momentum he had built. Little did he know that all his efforts and determination would soon bear fruit. Jordan saved up $2,000 because he didn't use all his student loan money. While his friends spent their money on trips and cars, he wanted to use it to leave college. He returned home and started learning how to make money online, discovering dropshipping. The low initial investment, wide product range, and location independence matched everything that Jordan was looking for. However, it came with risks like slim profit margins, quality control issues, and immense competition. But Jordan was ready to take the leap. On May 19, 2017, 19-year-old Jordan put out his first ad on Facebook. On May 20th, at around 1 a.m., he made his first ever sale. Over the next 2 months, he kept working and had some small wins, and then big losses. It wasn't long before he used up all of his $2,000 savings, but he was determined to succeed. He borrowed $500 from a friend, continued his work, and things started looking up. The next month, he made over $50,000 in sales and $10,000 in profit. Yes, that's huge. At this point, he dropped out of school, feeling on top of the world, and moved in with his friends. In November 2017, he had a month where he made over $100,000, which felt like an unbelievable success. Jordan's childhood dream finally seemed to come true. Meanwhile, his friends and family, curious about his success, encouraged him to start his own YouTube channel and share his journey of building his business. And you guessed it, his channel kicked off. It wasn't long before someone reached out to him for coaching. After coaching brought in $3,500 for a 2-hour session, he ended 2017 with a store earning over $100,000 monthly and coaching adding $10,000 in weekly profit. However, it all came crashing down just a year later, in 2018, when he moved to LA and indulged in extravagant living, dropping his savings from $100,000 to a mere $30,000. Realizing his mistake and determined to make amends, Jordan started Viral Vault, an e-commerce toolkit that provided suggestions, templates, and Facebook targeting advice. This was a brilliant business model. It helped brands and businesses address their pain points, offered great revenue potential through subscription fees or purchases, and possessed great user data monetization opportunities. But at the same time, it required heavy investment, maintenance costs, and customer support challenges. For Jordan, even though this business worked great and even earned him 6 figures initially, a dispute with his partner left him in financial ruin. Jordan had hit rock bottom and had a difficult decision to make, and so he did. He decided to move back home. He was shattered and heartbroken, but his friends and family welcomed him with open arms. In 2020, he restarted a successful dropshipping venture, overcoming setbacks. This time, it took him only 20 days to scale his business past $10,000 in profit. He also started documenting his rise from the ashes on his YouTube channel. During this time, Jordan left all his bad habits. He only had one thing in mind. He didn't want to fail again. In 2021, Jordan's business grew beyond bounds and made multi-million-dollar profits. His YouTube channel kept growing as well. And guess what? His growing fame even helped him revive his failed business, Viral Vault. In 2022, Jordan sold his Shopify store, earned over $2.5 million, and achieved personal milestones, including a dream house in Miami. Now 25, he shares his journey, emphasizing the importance of facing challenges. Today, Jordan Welch, with over 1 million subscribers and a $4 million net worth, is known for his success in e-commerce, particularly in the field of dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where the seller doesn't keep products in stock, but instead transfers the customer orders and shipment details to either the manufacturer, another retailer, or a wholesaler, who then ships the goods directly to the customer. It has multiple pros like low initial investment, low risk, and location flexibility, but it can be highly competitive due to thin profit margins and limited control over inventory and shipping. Nevertheless, Jordan has successfully turned dropshipping to his advantage and generously shares his insights and strategies on his YouTube channel and through coaching sessions. If you are dreaming about a life of financial freedom and are ready to learn about other easy-to-set-up online businesses with low investment, check out the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe button for more inspiring stories about successful entrepreneurs.